Julie the Whippy Chick here, and it is day 30 of this 31-day series of how to store your yarn better. So I think this is one of the more creative ideas I have seen while doing this research. What a great way to reuse your baby crib, right? So this is seriously just the rail of a crib, an old baby crib, and it's turned on its side with all of the yarn skeins wedged in there. So you could hang this on the wall. You could even like hang it from the ceiling so it's away from the wall a little bit. That would be really cute too. Love this idea. You know, I was just thinking you could actually hang it horizontally from this ceiling so that you could look up at them and they would just be dangling below, like above your head, like a lowered ceiling. I love everything about this idea. I think it's a great way to repurpose those old baby cribs, because sometimes, you know what, they get out of date and they're not necessarily safe for our little babies anymore, so that you don't really want to hand them down, right? So I don't know. I think this is a great idea. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this something that you've seen before? Is this something that you'd ever consider using? I'd love to hear from you. And also let me know what you've thought of this series. Do you like getting these ideas like this? Just one little short video every day of a different idea? Let me know. I'm very curious to hear from you. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow for the last day of this series. Until then, have a great one. Bye-bye.